Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two exceptional power supplies from Corsair, the RM1000X and the RM750e. The RM1000X boasts a powerful 1000W output, making it perfect for high-end gaming rigs and demanding setups. On the other hand, the RM750e, with its 750W capacity, offers a budget-friendly option while still supporting the latest ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 standards. Join us as we explore their features, performance, and value for money, helping you decide which one suits your needs best. When it comes to wattage, the Corsair RM1000X takes the lead with a robust 1000W output, making it an excellent choice for high-performance systems that require significant power, especially those with multiple graphics cards. In contrast, the RM750e offers a solid 750W, which is still sufficient for most gaming setups and modern hardware. This difference in wattage can significantly impact your system's performance and future upgrade options. Price is another critical factor to consider. The RM1000X is priced at $189, reflecting its high wattage and premium features. Meanwhile, the RM750e is available for a more budget-friendly $99, making it an attractive option for users looking for quality without breaking the bank. This price difference can influence your decision based on your budget and power needs. Warranty is an essential aspect of product reliability. The RM1000X comes with an impressive 10-year warranty, showcasing Corsair's confidence in its durability and performance. In comparison, the RM750e offers a 7-year warranty, which is still commendable but shorter than its counterpart. A longer warranty can provide peace of mind for users investing in high-performance components. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM1000X and RM750e are excellent power supplies, each catering to different needs and budgets. The RM1000X is ideal for high-end systems requiring maximum wattage and long-term reliability, while the RM750e offers great value for users looking for modern features at a lower price. Be sure to consider your system's requirements and future upgrade plans before making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.